I went to the home show a few years ago and I was walking around knowing I was going to do some renovations, and I came across Vancouver General Contractors, and they actually asked me some questions. They took me seriously and actually spent some time talking to me, where a lot of the other design and build companies actually didn't even take me seriously at all. I was really impressed. They came into my house. They actually wanted to find out what I really wanted. They walked around to look at the current apartment, which was in desperate need of updates. And they sat down with me and were really honest about the cost of doing renovations. They offered me several options and price packages. So I was really impressed with the material selection, the quality of the materials we picked, and they were bang on. Like, they knew me better than I did. Like, when I look at this place, I would have never chosen this for myself, and it's exactly what I want. And then from the build phase, there were some challenges along the way, and right away my project manager was by my side, guiding me through, directing me, to helping me make the best decisions. And I look back and they were like minor speed bumps along the way. Yes, I would, absolutely. I like the process of everything from designing to material selection. It wasn't just one contractor, you had a team of people, and you felt very supported through the entire process. So absolutely, I would recommend them and use them myself.